Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Yatta from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a small curve for the top of the head. Then from both sides, we're going to draw a curve down on an angle, and then 2 angles up, meeting at a point for the horns. Next, inside each one, we're going to draw 2 zigzag lines across, like this. Now at the top, let's draw 2 curves down and close it off at the end. And then another one next to it. Now in between, let's draw a curve down, over, and up to add one more behind. And that's it for the horns. Now let's move down and let's continue drawing the head. Let's start with a curve down on both sides. Then another set of curves next to it. And close it off at the bottom. Now in between at the bottom, let's draw a curve across for the chin. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start by drawing the eyes with 2 large circles. And then add another large circle inside each one. And now let's color both of these in black. And then on top of each eye, let's add 2 curves up for the eyelashes. Now top down underneath, and let's draw a curve across for the mouth, a V-shaped point down in the center, and then 2 more on the sides. And that's it for the mouth. Next, we're going to draw the pattern on the face. Let's start in between the eyes, and we're going to draw 2 V-shaped points. And then on the sides of the eyes, let's draw 2 angles down. And the same on the right side. Now top up to the top, and let's draw the hair. From the top of the head, let's draw 2 curves down. And close it off at the bottom. And then let's add 2 zigzag stripes inside. Now on top of the head, let's draw another piece by curving it over to the right, another curve underneath, and close it off at the end. And again, let's add 2 zigzags. And then underneath this piece, let's add 1 more curve down. And that's it for the top 2 pieces of hair. Now let's move down and let's draw the hair on the sides. From both sides of the head, let's draw a curve down and out. Then let's bring it in, a V-shaped point up, and then bring it in and up like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a curve out and down on both sides. Then let's angle it down and a V-shaped point in. Now let's add another set of angles down and in. Then start up higher and an angle down and over. Another V-shaped point up on both sides. And close it off in the center. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down, meeting at the center from both sides. Next, we're going to move to the sides and draw the arms. On both sides, let's start with 2 angles, down and out. Then from the bottom line, let's curve it out and back up for the thumbs. Now from the top line, let's angle it outwards. And then one more curve to close off the hands. Now inside each of the arms, let's draw 4 zigzag lines. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw 2 lines down, angling it inwards, meeting at the bottom. And then from the outside, a line down and curve it out. And then inside each leg, let's draw 2 zigzags near the top here. Then leave a gap and let's draw 1 more underneath. Next, let's hop to the bottom, and from the center, let's draw 2 bumps going outwards on both sides. And a curve underneath. Now let's add an angle outwards and a V-shaped point to close it off. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, we're going to draw the tail. Let's start on the sides of the body and let's draw 2 curves out towards the hand on both sides. And then let's continue each of the lines out by curving it up on the other side of the hands. And then to close off the end, let's angle it in and back out. Now let's hop down underneath, and on both sides, let's draw 2 more curves out and up like this. And then close off the end in the same way. And that's it for Yatta. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!